Hello my dear friends, welcome all of you. How are you all? And you're watching English by Joseph ma'am. I hope all of you are fine and you're speaking English and talking and to your friends. Okay, so today I brought before you a topic. You will see that before that I have taught the WH family. You will see it in the description box if you go. The link is over there and even I will share it up again. And today I am going to speak about the WH question. How are you going to form the WH question? आप WH questions कैसे form करेंगे? इंग्लिश तो बोल लिए लेकिन बात करने के लिए भी तो आपको कुछ किस तरीके से आप बात को रखोगे? अगर कोई two person, if there are two people, then how are you going to start the conversation? आप कैसे बात करोगे? Usually आप हिंदी में ही बात करोगे. But my dear friends, I want you to all to speak in English. So how are you going to ask that question in English? आप इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलोगे? So here are the questions that we are going to talk about and we are going to learn and we are going to speak about it. So without wasting any time, alright, let us begin. So the first is which teacher do you like the most? Which teacher do you like the most? Here the question you are asking. Which? कौन सी टीचर तुमको अच्छी लगती है, ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है? Which is the beautiful scene you like the most? Which is the beautiful place you like? Which is the beautiful place? Which place you like to visit? Which place you like to visit? So there are many questions on which on this WH question. इतने सारे questions है कि आपको पहले से सोचना है. And when you think about, you'll be able to speak. So you have to have everything in your mind. You have to set your mind that you're going to speak. You are going to ask someone in English, and you have to be prepared for this. आपको खुद तैयार होना है पहले. आपके माइंड में क्वेश्चन होने चाहिए कि हाँ ये चीजें हम पूछेंगे और कैसे पूछना है इंग्लिश में. फटाफट आप आराम से फिर बोल सकते हैं ये चीजें. आप एवरी डे मेरे एक सजेशन है आप लोगों को दैट एवरी डे डेली आप अपने क्वेश्चन जो हिंदी में आप आते हैं आपके दिमाग में आप यूजली बोलते हो आप उस कॉपी में नोट डाउन करिए एंड ट्राई टू चेंज इट टू translate it in English and try to speak it up. Now here there is a question, which teacher do you like the most? कौन सी टीचर तुमको ज़्यादा सबसे अच्छा पसंद है? You like the most. Which teacher do you like the most? So now most of you और सबके जैसे स्कूल में बच्चे होते हैं, they have different subjects. They like the teachers like Hindi. Some of them of the favorite teacher is Hindi teacher or maths teacher or English teacher. So like this you can say, okay, my English teacher, I love my English teacher the most or Hindi teacher the most. Now next one, which restaurant shall we go? Which restaurant shall we go? कौन से restaurant में हम लोग को जाना चाहिए? Which, then you will tell the name. Oh, let us go to the barbecue. Let us go to the meal on wheels. Next, which is your favorite movie? Which is your favorite movie? तुम्हारा favorite movie कौन सा है? Now इसमें which में आप बहुत सारे और भी questions पूछ सकते हैं. Which is your dress? Which color is your dress? Which color? कौन सा color पसंद है? Which color do you like? Which is your favorite fruit? ये चीजें आप बच्चों से भी पूछ सकते हैं questions in English. Now here I have only written few questions over here, but there are more. You can ask it in a different way. Here I have written which is your favorite movie. You can change the question. Instead of movie, you can ask which is your favorite dish, which is your favorite fruit. Okay. So moving on to the next one now. Here is the next one is why. Why are you so happy? अब यहाँ पे एक question पूछता है क्यों? तुम क्यों इतने खुश हो? Why are you so happy? So there will be a reason why are you happy. बिना कोई वजह का तो कोई खुश होता नहीं है. There is a reason for a smile. I am happy because I am happy. मैं खुश हूँ क्योंकि आज मेरा प्रमोशन हो गया. So I am happy. I am happy. I bought a new car. आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा किसी से, अपने फ्रेंड से, भाई तुम क्यों इतनी खुश हो? I am happy because I bought a new car. मैं एक नया कार खरीदा इसलिए मैं खुश हूँ. Next one. Why were you late? Why were you late? अब यहाँ पे वर्ड जो आ रही है पास्ट में. Why were you late? तुम लेट क्यों थे? Why were you late? No, there is a reason for that now. अब आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा कि आप लेट क्यों हैं, व्हाई वर यू लेट? आई वाज लेट बिकॉज आई मिस्ड द बस, आई वाज लेट बिकॉज आई मेट विद एन स्मॉल एक्सीडेंट। ये सब चीज़ों आप खुद से वर्ड्स को, क्वेश्चंस को बना के आप बोल फ्रेम करके आप बोल सकते हैं। सो नेक्स्ट वन, व्हाई डू यू नीड टू स्टडी इंग्लिश? या देयर इज अ वेरी मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन दैट इज फॉर यू। व्हाई डू यू वांट टू लर्न इंग्लिश माय डियर फ्रेंड्स? आई वांट टू नो कि आप इंग्लिश क्यों पढ़ना चाहते हो। प्लीज कमेंट मी इन द कमेंट बॉक्स एंड लेट मी नो व्हाई डू यू वांट टू लर्न इंग्लिश। आई वांट टू नो द रीजन। So many of you, there are so many of you, my dear friends. आप इतने लोग हैं यहाँ पे, मुझे देख रहे हैं, मुझे सुन रहे हैं. I want the answer from you. इसका तो मुझे जवाब चाहिए. That why do you want to learn English? Let me know in the comment box, please. Okay. So moving on to the next one. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? अब यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पूछा कब आपका बर्थडे कब है? When are you going? When are they coming? You बोलो कब आ रहे हैं? When are they coming? Now here I have asked when is your birthday? आपका बर्थडे कब है? So you say my birthday is on 8th of March. When are you going? तुम कब जा रहे हो? When are you free? When are you free? Now you want to ask something. When are you free? I want to talk to you. When will you be coming? This type of questions you can ask and frame out and let me know. Next is how are you? How are you? I always ask. मैं हमेशा आप लोग से क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ how are you all and but there is no response. Please comment me in the comment box and let me know how are you all, how you are doing and how is everything in your speaking English going on. So how are you? How was your vacation? Now the school is going to get open. The school and colleges are going to get reopened now. Then we will be meeting our friends and asking them how was your vacation? तुम्हारा vacation गर्मी की छुट्टी कैसे बीती? Oh really? And now I will say really I enjoyed my vacation because I did something new. I spent my vacation doing something new, in teaching you all. That was a big thing for me this time that I started teaching online. And thank you for this. How big is the house? How big is the house? कितना बड़ा घर है? कितना बड़ा घर है? How big is your house? Now the next question is, who are you? The next question, आपने पूछा जैसे if you meet someone then you'll ask who are you? I am a teacher. Who are you? I am a policeman. Who are you talking about? Who is this? Who is this person? These are the questions of which you can form from who. Who is she? ये कौन है? Who is that girl? वो लड़की कौन है? Who is on the phone? Who is on the phone? Means phone पर कौन बात कर रहा है? This is the proper way. Who is on the phone? और phone के ऊपर नहीं. If you are talking to someone, then you say who is on the phone? Phone पे कौन बात कर रहा है? Okay? So there are many more that you can frame out from this WH family. And that's what I'm telling you, my dear friend, that please let me know in the comment box whatever question that you, if I'm only written 3 questions from each. Now you tell me something more about some other question you can frame out and ask me. Now next, what is your name? What is your name? This is simple. When we meet someone, we ask, oh, what is your name? Nice to meet you. What is your name? My name is, you can tell your name. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am sleeping. You can say I am sleeping, or I am sitting down. I am writing something. I am painting. There are many things to answer. Also, the way when you ask the question, then you have to have the answers in the mind also. जैसे इंसान ने क्वेश्चन पूछा है इंग्लिश में, तुरंत आपके पास जवाब भी होना चाहिए कि हाँ ये चीज़ है, तुरंत आप बोल सकते हो. Now you said, what are you doing? I am teaching right now. What are you doing? You are listening. What are you doing? You are sitting down. You are writing. What do you want to eat? तुम क्या खाना मांगते हो? What do you want to eat? What do you want to have for dinner? Next, this one, what? क्या? Where is my pencil? Where is my pencil? Where is my shoes? Where is my dress? Where I have to go? कहाँ मुझे जाना है? Where are you from? तुम कहाँ से हो? वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम, वेयर इज द हाउस, वेयर इज द घर, मतलब इसमें पूछे कि घर कहाँ पे है, वेयर इज द हाउस। नेक्स्ट, हुज बुक इज दिस, हुज ये किसका पेन है, हुज हाउस इज दैट, और हुज हाउस इज दिस, whose house is this, ऐसा whose book is this, किसका बुक है, तो any whoever will, जिसकी भी बुक है वो बोले it is my book, और नहीं पता तो क्या, तो वो इंसान बोले it is not my book, मेरी बुक नहीं है तो वो बोलेगा it is not my book, you have to say it is not my book। और अगर आपको नाम पता है वो किसका बुक है तो you say it is Rita's book और it is Dan's book। नेक्स्ट, whose house is this, किसका घर है, such a beautiful house, whose house is this, oh it is my friend's house। This will be the question in your mind, the answers in your mind। Whose dress is this, किसका ड्रेस है इतना खूबसूरत, whose dress is this so beautiful। So my dear friends, these are the questions that you have for WH questions, how you have to ask। ये मेरे questions आपको आज यहीं पे आज रखा हुआ है कि ये questions आपको कैसे लिखना है, कैसे बोलना है, कैसे पूछना है आपको। जब आप किसी को मिलते हैं तो कैसे क्या क्या आपके मन में हिंदी में सवाल आते हैं, अच्छा ये हम उससे पूछेंगे, बट इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे फ्रेम आउट करना है। तो आज का जो टॉपिक था वो इसीलिए मैं आपको ये बना के मैंने आज सामने रखा है कि WH क्वेश्चन और भी होते हैं, तो आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में प्लीज बताइएगा कि और किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आप पुट अप कर सकते हो, प्लीज मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइएगा। टिल देन, see you again in the next video. Goodbye. God bless you all.